Hello everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing of the 124 Spider Roadsterbags, and because everyone either asks about the luggage space for road trips or jokes about the car not having any space, we'll see just how much luggage we can actually fit in the car. First up, the Roadsterbags then. There are 3 of them, they come in their own dust bags. There's a large case that fits in the base of the boot, a small one that takes up the space at the back, and a large one that takes up the remainder of the space. The bags are really high quality, they weren't too expensive, and they help maximise the use of space. The only downside for me is that the big case doesn't have wheels, so you can pack so much in sometimes that having just the handle to lug it around is a bit of a pain. Since I bought these, there are variations that have come out for the 124, and some others for the NDMX5, the Mark IV, that fit similarly, and I believe maybe a bit cheaper. Now, you can fit even more than this in the boot. I found that a small bag, what airlines normally call your second small carry-on, fits in as well. This is a 35 by 20 by 20 centimetre bag, and if you're going away on a long trip, this extra luggage is really useful. There's still room for a few coats and hoodies in at the edges as well. Now let's talk about cabin space. We all know that the car has the central storage bin, which is actually pretty large, and a small space for your glasses and keys etc. under the armrest, but it also has 2 storage compartments behind the seats. They're not huge. I kept my spare bulb set in there, a high-vis vest, first aid kit, and the breathalyzers that you're required to carry for driving in some countries. Then behind each of the seats you can fit a suit bag and then a jacket or a hoodie on top, and there's comfortably space for a backpack under the passenger's legs too. So in summary, all of this is able to fit in the car, as well as the passenger of course. Now a quick channel update. I had organised to have some exciting content shot ready for you, driving the Evo Triangle with a few friends, but for obvious reasons with the current situation, that trip didn't go ahead. We will be rescheduling it though, so do keep an eye out for that, hopefully in just a few weeks' time. Do comment below if you want to suggest any modifications to the car. I am thinking about changing the wheels and perhaps adding a tuning box as I alluded to in my last video. Please do subscribe to the channel for a video every Saturday and to see what happens next with the car. As always, thank you for watching. Ciao!